Salutations, everybody! I have some great things in store, but first, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that button. Stop playing. All right. So, I'm gonna take my micellar water and just a cotton pad, and I'm just prepping my face for the slayage that's about to happen. So, I'm taking my Farsali 24 karat gold elixir, my favorite moisturizer. Putting that all over my face, and I'm just rubbing that in everywhere. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills, it's a pomade, and I'm just sculpting my eyebrows at the bottom and the top. All right, and at the beginning of my eyebrows it looks a little sparse, so I'm just adding some hairs with that same pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that brush is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm just taking a NYX black liner, and I just like to darken where the crease is on down to the tail, and I'm taking my NYX concealer, and now I'm going to sculpt my eyebrows. This is how I make them look perfect. Any mistakes that you make before on your eyebrows, the concealer will help in everything. So I'm just sculpting the bottom and the top, making sure that tail end is on fleek, and then I'm blending everything out. And since that concealer is so light, you want to make sure that you really blend it out. And then at the beginning of my eyebrows, I just flick up to still make it light. All right, and I'm taking a Smashbox primer this time. It's clear, so it goes with any skin tone. And now I'm taking my Pro Concealer, it's a color corrector. And I put that all over my mouth and my nose, and I just blend that out. Now I'm taking my Bare Minerals Chai and blending that all over my face. And I'm taking my NARS concealer, and I'm just blending that out under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, as well as my forehead and chin. And this concealer blends out very well, so I absolutely love it. So I'm taking two powders. Where I put my concealer, it is the True Match Super Blendable Powder in Caramel Beige. Everything else is True Match Super Blendable Powder in Sun Beige. Guess I'm a beige type of girl, I don't know. I'm more so caramel, but okay. And I'm just blending all of that out together. Now I'm just taking a NYX color. This is the white base, so that everything will pop for my eyeshadows. So I'm just putting that right where the crease area is and up a little above it. And I'm just blending that out. All right, so honey, I just started putting color on without even showing y'all which color it was. So now I'm showing y'all. It's the Raw Sauce eyeshadow palette, and it's Love at First Sight. It's that yellow color in the palette. And now I'm taking the Urban Decay Electric palette in the color Savage on the other eye. Taking my Watch Me Blush palette, and I'm using Tangerine in my crease, right under where that yellow is. Kind of darken up that crease and blend it out. So that it's not so orange, I went back in with Love at First Sight, the yellow color, and start putting that right over the tangerine color. I just wanted it to be a little darker where my crease is, but not dark orange. I just wanted a darker yellow. So as you can see, the color came out exactly how I wanted it. All right, so now time to cut it right. So now I'm cutting the crease, And I'm just using that white eyeshadow base from NYX. And I'm just speeding it up just to show y'all the process of how I cut it. Just very carefully. And then once I got the shape that I wanted, then I just started to put the rest of the eyeshadow base on the lid and spread it out. Excuse any ugly faces that I've been making. So I'm going back in with Love at First Sight and packing that where I put the white eyeshadow base. And then I'm going in with a detailed brush and taking Tangerine, and I'm just going to darken up where I had put the white, just along those lines. Going back in with Love at First Sight and blending that out a little bit, just a little bit, because I just want it to be detailed. So I'm taking Jar Jar from the Raw Sauce palette and packing that on the other eye. Off camera I had cut that crease already. And then I'm taking Savage and I'm just detailing that cut crease. Yes. My favorite part, taking the NYX glitter and the base. I'm putting that glue right in the tear duct of my eyes. And I'm taking a speckled kind of monochrome yellow glitter on my right eye and putting pink glitter on the opposite eye. Alright, so I'm taking Too Faced. This is a highlighter. Putting it on the bridge of my nose and the sides, the highlights of my cheeks, blending that out. So this is the Alchemist palette. I'm sorry that it's not showing on camera, but I'm taking the pink opal color and putting that on the left side of my face. So it's like a pink highlight, and then I blended that out. And of course I got to have Cocoa Bling on my face by Artist Couture. So I'm putting that on the bridge of my nose. Blending it out on the right side of my face. And because I'm extra, I gotta put some on these lips, honey. Yes. I feel like it makes my upper lip look bigger. Yes, no, maybe so. I don't know. I think so. So just a close up. Give you a little scene of what it looks like close up. So I'm taking these two lip colors. That first one is a matte lip color by NYX. It is literally like my skin tone. I absolutely love it. It's hard to find a lip color that's exactly your skin tone, and this is one of them. And then I'm just taking a light pink gloss and putting that all over my lips. A little Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I had so much fun doing this look featuring my nerds. This is what I was inspired by. Y'all don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe.